So on this channel, I wanted to talk about different ways that you can make extra money. And one of my personal favorite ways to make extra money is actually taking surveys online. So I wanted to share with you a couple websites that I like taking surveys with. And I wanted to start with this one because this one is my all-time favorite. I've been using it for almost a year and it is called Prolific. So if you've looked this website up before or you've seen it online, you might also hear it called Prolific Surveys or Prolific Academic. It refers to the same website. It's called Prolific now. It is a UK-based survey website that helps connect researchers to survey participants. It's been around since 2014. Like I said, I've used it for more than a year. I have nothing but good things to say about it. And from the reviews I've seen online, most people have really good experiences with it. So if you're interested in signing up, it's super easy. You just click sign up to participate, you create an account and fill out your profile and add your payment email, and you can pretty much get started the same day. So I wanted to go through what surveys look like on my end. So this is my account. These are the surveys I'm currently eligible for. So you will see that since it is UK based, all the amounts are in British pounds, but we'll talk about that later. So here's the amount that it pays in green, and the number next to it, that is the average completion time of the survey, and then next to that, they've actually calculated the hourly rate based on how much it pays and the average completion time. So I try and stick to at least £6 an hour or above, but if I'm super desperate or something, if I hadn't gotten a ton of surveys, I'll take any survey that I'm eligible for, that's fine. And it will also show you how many places are left in the survey pool, so you can see if you should jump on it or not, if you might run out of spots or something. And then right here in green, these little icons will show you what's required for the survey. So there are some surveys that you can take on your tablet or desktop or phone, and these little icons will tell you. So this one is desktop only. You also need audio to take it, and you need a microphone. And this icon right here is a tablet, and occasionally you will see the phone icon. Almost all the surveys are eligible for you to do on desktop, but I have seen more and more there are surveys where you can also take it on your phone. So when you click on the survey, it'll give you a small description. So definitely read that just in case there's anything that you need to take the survey. Like this one, it says carefully read all the questions because there will be attention checks. So that's something good to know. And then when you're ready to take a survey, you can click reserve place and it'll open the study in a new window, and you can take it and submit your completion code. So usually it's pretty quick to get the surveys approved. I don't think I've had to wait more than a couple days, but I did see on the Prolific main website that they have up to 21 days to deny or approve a survey, but I've never had a survey take that long to be approved, but that's just something to be aware of. The next thing I wanted to show you was my actual submissions. So I've done over 800 different surveys over the past year, and I've earned almost 700 British pounds, which if you convert that to USD, that's actually almost $1,000. So making $1,000 through a survey website in less than a year is actually pretty good in my opinion. So that's one of the reasons why I love this website. I've been able to make a lot of money. It's super easy. The surveys are pretty transparent. Like they'll tell you exactly how long they take, and it says exactly how much it'll pay, so no surprises there. So if you're interested, you can sign up. I will leave a link in the description to sign up on this website, and I just wanted to give you 2 tips about how you can earn more money with Prolific. The first one is the About You section. So this is all questions about basically about you, like your demographics, your family, where you work, etc. I've noticed that about every month they add new questions, so try to go in there at least once a week just to check to see if there's anything new, because these are the questions that will help you get qualified for surveys. So make sure you have it filled out so you can get more surveys. The next tip is using the Prolific Assistant extension. It is an extension that's available on Chrome and on Firefox, and what it does is it will check Prolific for you, and if there's a survey available for you, it will give you a desktop notification or it will play a sound. I think you can also do both, so that way you don't have to keep the website open and you can jump on surveys as quickly as possible, because I've noticed that I actually don't get emails at all whenever I'm eligible for a survey, and I actually read on their help section that they actually don't send emails to everyone that's eligible for a survey. They only send it said a select few, so I don't know how they picked that. So you want to jump on these as quickly as possible, so I highly suggest getting this extension. So I hope you try this website, and I would love it if you have tried it or you're going to try it, if you would leave a comment. If you have any questions about Prolific, definitely leave a comment. I will answer as quickly as possible. And if you like this type of content, I would love it if you subscribed. Thank you so much for watching.